What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the beautiful Lewis Mars Park in Mars County to put some miles on my Trek Marlin 7. Alright, so I'm not going to talk too much, but I was tracking my ride with my Garmin Fenix 6, so I wanted to give you some of the stats from there. This was at Lewis Mars Park in Mars County, and this loop is on the Trailforks app. I stayed on the yellow trail, which kind of intersected with the red trail a little bit, but it was about 5 miles, a little bit less than 5 miles, and I was out there for about 54 minutes. I did stop a few times. This was my first time out there, and I was kind of looking around trying to figure out where I was at certain points because there are some intersecting trails. I had posted on Facebook in one of the mountain biking groups in the area, and they had told me, hey, be ready to do some climbing, and the majority of this trail was climbing. It said that I had an elevation gain of about 647 feet. My average moving speed was only about 6.6. This was my first time there, like I said. And I did have a top speed of 21.7 miles per hour on this one back stretch. It was a very large area, all rock, that was easy to get some speed on. However, I don't have that on video. So as you guys can hear in the background right now, I have some heavy breathing going on, trying to get back in shape after a long winter. So I know people have requested no music, but I am going to throw some music in the background right now so that you guys don't have to listen to me breathing the entire time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy.